Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine so that you have joined the class, right? Today in this particular video we will solve our exercise 5.3 which was based on the divisibility rules, right? In our previous class we have discussed all the divisibility rules from 2 to 11. So before starting our class, let us recall the rules. Test for 2, divisibility test for 2 was if the unit place or the last digit of a number is even or it is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. Then test for 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then test for 4, if the last two digit is divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible by 4. Then test for 5 was if the last digit is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. And test for 6 was a unique one, right? In the test we have to for the test we have to perform two tests. One is for 2 and another is for 3. Now by looking the number we can say whether it is divisible by 2 or not, just by looking the last digit, right? If the last digit is even, then the number is divisible by 3. So number is divisible by 2. So after that, if that number is divisible by 2, we will proceed to 3. Now for 3 we have to find the sum of the digits, and if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 6. I mean to say that if a number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, the number will be divisible by 6. Now for test for 7, this is not in your book, so let's go to test for 8. Test for 8 was if the last 3 digit, in case of 2 it was 1 digit, in case of 4 it was 2 digit, in case of 3 in case of 8 it is 3 digit, right? And I also have shown you the relations between 2, 4, 8, right? 2 is 2 to the power 1, 4 is 2 to the power 2, and 8 is 2 to the power 3, right? Okay, so test for 8 was that if the last 3 digit is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Then test for 9 is exactly similar as test for 3, which is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the sum of the then the number is divisible by 9 also. Test for 11, very easy. If the last digit is 0, if the last digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Clear? And the last one is 11. This is a unique one like 6. In that, for divisibility test for 11, we have to find, we have to add and subtract the number alternatively, right? For that, and after finding the solution or after finding the result, if the result is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. I hope this is clear to you, right? So now let's move to our first question of exercise 5.3, and the question is check the divisibility of the following numbers by 3. There are many questions, right? I will show you 2 or 3 and the remaining you have to solve. Clear? Okay. So our first question is check the divisibility. Check the divisibility of the following numbers. If you understand the rule, you can solve any numbers, right? So no need to solve all the questions because if I give the solutions of all the questions, then you will take a 3 to 4 hours class, right? But we have only 40-minute class. So check the divisibility of the following numbers with 3. So our first one is 616. 616. So how will check? Test for 3 is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So the right solution, then 6 plus 1 plus 6. 6 plus 1 is how much? It is 7, and 7 plus 6 is 13. right? 7 plus 6 is 13. Now, is 13 divisible by 3? No, 13 is not divisible by 3. So, we will write no. No, 616, sorry, 616. No, 616 is not divisible by 3. If you don't believe, let us perform the actual division. This part is not from the exam point of view, right? You no need to write this part in your exam. 616 divided by 3. 3 into 2, 6. Then 1, 0, 6. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. Look, 1 remainder left. And I told you in the earlier class that there must be no remainder, right? So, 616 is not divisible by 3. Up to this clear? Okay. Now, can you for extra question, can you say by which number it will be divisible? It will be divisible by 2, right? By seeing the last digit is how much? Even. So, it will be divisible by 2. 16, it will be divisible by 4 also. Then 5, will it be divisible by 5? No, it will not be divisible by 5, because for 5, if the last digit is 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5, right? Okay, our next number is 537. 537. So, we will write solution. Then 5 plus 3 plus 7 equals 15, right? Now, 15 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3, right? If we divide 15 with 3, what will be the result? It will be 5, right? Because 5 into 3 is 15. So, we write yes. 537 is divisible by 3. Are you getting my points? If you have any doubt, you can ask me, right? Or I am a bit fast. Okay, no problem. Our next number is 927. 927. So, we write solution. Then 9 plus 2 plus 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. Now, is 18 divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3, right? So, we write yes, 927 is divisible by 3. Clear? Okay, rest you try in your home. And now we move to our second question, that is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? Same thing, right? Check the divisibility of the following numbers by 9. Same questions, right? For example, if I ask you what is your name, one type of question. Now another is, may I know your name? This is also same, right? I want to say the same thing, but language is different. So, the first option is 199. 199. Now, test for 9 is that if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. So, let us find the sum of the digits. So, first of all, we will write solution, then 1 plus 9 plus 9 equals 19. Now, is 19 divisible by 9? No, 19 is not divisible by 9. So, we will write no, 199 is not divisible. Is not divisible by 9. Now, if I ask one question, are you all divisible by exam? Are you all divisible by exam? Are you all divisible by exam? Or this is your homework, right? You can answer me in the comment section or in my number. Okay. Now let us move to our second question, which is 477. 477. So first of all, we will write solution. Then 4 plus 7 is how much? 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9, right? So we will write yes. 80. Oh, sorry. Yes, 477 is divisible by 9. Now how will you find whether you are divisible by exam? First of all, you have to write your name, then you have to find the sum of all the names, right? Sum of the digits of your name. So after finding the sum of the digits, you have to find another more, the sum of the digits of exam, right? What will be the, you will replace exam with their positions, right? Then after that, what you will do? You will divide. You will divide the total sum of the total value of your name by value of the exam. Then after that, what you will do? You will divide, right? Now if remainder comes, that means you are not exactly divisible. Now if remainder don't comes, that means if the remainder is 0, that means you are divisible with exam, right? And you will get good marks. So let me know how many of you are divisible with exam or not, right? Okay. Now we perform another type of divisible. Now here the question is 2349. Is it divisible by 9? Let us find, right? So first of all, we have to find whether sum of the digits. So will you send me the answer about whether you will divisible by 9 or not? Sorry, whether you will divisible by exam? Okay. You find the answer and send me. Now 2 plus 3 is how much? 2 plus 3, it is 5, right? 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus 9 is 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9, yes. We write yes. 2, 3, 4, 9 is divisible by 9. Clear? One more left, you may make a try yourself. Now next question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 11? Your third question, which of the following numbers is divisible by 11? Now for 11, what we have to do? We have to add and subtract the digits alternatively, right? And then find the sum, and if the sum is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. So here our first question is 264. Number 1, 264. So that solution. Then first is add, right? Add, subtract, add. So 2 plus 4 is how much? 2 plus 4, it is 6. Plus 6 minus 6. Now plus minus is minus. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Now can you say, is 0 divisible by 11? Yes, 0 is divisible by 11, but 11 is not divisible with 0. This line represents this. 0 divisible by 11. This is possible, right? The answer will be 0. Now this is not possible. 11 divided by 0. This is not possible because its answer will be undefined. Up to this clear? So our answer is how much? 0. So 0 is divisible by 11. So we will write yes. Yes, 264 is divisible by 11. Up to this clear? Like this you can solve a large number also. Now one more type of questions. If there is 0, so what we will do? This is extra question, right? Suppose 2, 6, 4, 0. Now whether this number will be divisible by 11, let us find. Right, plus minus. So if 0, you don't have to cancel, right? If you think 0, it will if it is plus, then why to write 0 in the middle? It will take space. You have to write, because if you don't write 0, then you will miss the positions, right? Okay, look one thing. Okay, insert 0 in the middle. Suppose 2, 6, 0, 4. Now you have to write 0, because look, it will be plus 2 minus 6 plus 0 minus 4. Now if you think why to add 0, if you don't add 0, if you don't add 0, then this sign will be what? Plus. Will it be equal? No, it will not be equal. Okay. Up to this clear? Okay. So now let us find 2, 6, 0, 4 is divisible by 11 or not. So 2 plus 0 is how much? 2 plus 0, it is 2 plus 2. Then minus 6 minus 4 is what? Minus 10 equal minus 8. Now is minus 8 divisible by 11? No, minus 8 is not divisible by 11. So we will write no. 2, 6, 0, 4 is not divisible. Sorry, 5 is not divisible by 11. Up to this clear? Okay. So now let us move to our next question, that is question number 4. Yes, these questions are from question number 4 to question number 9. These questions are very, very important from the exam point of view, right? These questions will may come or may not come, but it will carry less marks. Okay. So here question number 4 is what? If 31x is a multiple of 11, if 31x is a multiple of 11, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Yes, very interesting questions, right? Where x is a digit, where x is a digit, so what is the value of x? Value of x, very interesting question. Okay, for multiple, okay, what is multiple? For example, multiple of 6 is what? 2 into 3, right? 2 into 3. Now this means what? 6 is divisible with 2 as well as 3. Now if I say 316 is a multiple of 11, that means 31x is divisible by 11. Up to this clear? 31x is divisible by 11. Now we have to find which number will be in this place, which number will be in the place of x, such that the number is divisible by 11. Up to this clear? We can't put any number directly, right? We have to put the number, we have to put the particular number or numbers. It may be more than one, right? We have to put the particular number in place of x, which is divisible by 11. We can't put any random numbers. Okay, so for that, how we will do? Let's look at the board. First of all, we will write solution, right? Now we will write when we will do it by hit and trial method. Hit and trial method means what? We will put, suppose first case we will put 0, then we will find then we will think that the number is 310, then we'll proceed as divisible by 11. Now if this result is divisible by 11, then it is divisible by 11. Like this we will carry on, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9. Only one digit number is there, right? So we will put all the one digit numbers and then check whether the numbers is divisible by 11. Now those numbers will be divisible by 11, so we will put that value. Okay, so first of all we will write when x equals 1, then when x equal 0, when x equals 0, then what will be the number? Then plus 3 minus 1 plus 0 equals 3 minus 1 is how much? 3 minus 1, it is 2, right? 3 minus 1 is 2, isn't it? Okay, when x equals 0, then 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 0 equals 2. Up to this clear? Like this we will carry on. When, okay, let us write x equal 1, then plus 3 minus 1 plus 1 equals 3, x equals 2, then plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 equals 4. Are you getting? X equals 3, then plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 equals 5. Like this we will go on up to question number, up to 9, right? Now I have to erase this question. Now when x equals 4, then plus 3 minus 1 plus 4 equals 6, x equals 5, then plus 3 minus 1 plus 5 equals 7, x equals 6, then plus 3 minus 1 plus 6 equals 8, x equals 6, 7, x equals 8, x equals 9, then plus 3 minus 1 plus 7 equal to 9, plus 3 minus 1 plus 8 equal to 10, plus 3 minus 1 plus 9 equal to 11. Up to this clear? How I have find out the how I add and subtract the following digits? I have started from this, right? From this point x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to look which number? We have to look those numbers, whether those numbers are divisible by 11 or not. I have given here 0, a circle, you no need to give circle, right? Now which number is divisible by 11 here? Look, 2 is not divisible, 3 not, 4 not, 5 not, 6 not, 7 not, 8 not, 9 not, 10 not, 11. Now 11 is divisible by 11, right? Okay, now when we find the result 11, at which number we find the result 11? When we put the value of x as 9. So when the value of x is 9, then the number is divisible by 11. So we will write, therefore the value of x is 9. Up to this clear? Okay. So we will write, therefore the value of x, therefore the value of x is 9. So what will be the number? And the number is 319, right? 319 it was, so it will be 319. Up to this clear? Okay, now let us check whether 319 is divisible by 11 or not. This is not for your exam point of view, just for fun. So 11 into 2 is how much? 11 into 2, 22, right? Now 22 minus 31 is how much? 31 minus 22 is 9, 9. So 11 into 9 is 99. So remainder left 0. So 319 is divisible by 11, isn't it? So the number is 9. There we will write. You have to know how to write this, right? Everyone knows the answer whether it is divisible by 9 or not, but you have to know the process, how to find the number, then how to write the conclusion line. These are the main points, right? A teacher's look in your answer paper. So we are here with our next question, that is question number 5. Here the question is 21y5 is a multiple of y, sorry, is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit. What is the value of y? As I told you earlier that multiple means what is the factors, and we know a number can be divisible with its factors, right? Okay. Now this number, that is 21y5 is already is divisible by 9, right? Is a multiple, already is divisible by 9. Now we have to find which number can we put in its this y place, in this place. So how will you find? Now before finding, we know that for divisibility rule test for 9, we know if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9, isn't it? Okay. So we will use this formula in our solution. First of all, we will write solution, then we will write what? 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. 2 plus y, 1 plus y, how much? 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. 3 plus 5 is how much? 3 plus 5, it is 8. So 8 plus y. Up to this clear? The number will be, the sum of the numbers will be 8 plus y, right? Okay. Now we will write when y equals 0, then 8 plus 0 equals 8, y equals 1, then 8 plus 1 equals 9, y equals 2, then 8 plus 2 equals 10, y equals 3, then 8 plus 3 equals 11, y equals 4, then 8 plus 4 equals how much? It is 12. Okay. After 4 it comes 5, y equals 5, then 8 plus 5 equals 13, y equals 6. Before all that we have written one when, right? That means we will write when y equals 0, then 8 plus 0 equals 8. When y equals 5, then 8 plus 5 equals 13. We will read like this, right? So when y equals 6, then 8 plus 6 equals how much? It is 14. Y equals 7, then 8 plus 7 equals how much? It is 15. Next y equals 8, then 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is how much? 16. Y equals 9, then 8 plus how much? 8 plus 9, 17. So up to this clear? Till now we have just find out the we have just put the values of y from 0 to 9 one by one and find out the sum of the digits, right? Now we have to look which number is divisible by 9 here. Here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. From this number only 9 is divisible by 9, right? 9 divided by 9 is how much? 1. Up to this clear? Okay. Now when we have the result 9, means what? When did we get the sum of the digits 9? That means when we by putting which number? By putting which number in place of y, we get the result 9. When we put y equals 1, isn't it? When we put y equals 1, then we got 8 plus 1 equals 9. That means value of y is how much? It is 1. So we will write therefore value of y is 1 and the number is what will be the number? It will be 2, 1, then value of y is what? 1, then 5, and the number is 2, 1, 1, 5. Okay. Now let us cross check, right, whether this is divisible by 9 or not. If not, then I am wrong, right? I have made mistake in somewhere. Okay, so let us solve divide 2, 1, 1, 5 with 9. So 9 into 2, 9 into 2 is 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 3, 1, 9 into 3, 9 into 3 is 27, then 4, 5, 9 into 5 is 45. Look, remainder comes 0. That means this 2, 1, 1, 5 is divisible by 9. Up to this clear? Okay. So did all of you have seen how we have to find the value of the unknown digits? Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, right? Now, okay. Now let us move to our sixth question. That is, without actual division, find the remainder when 32699 is divided by 3. How is it possible? Here the question asks that without dividing, without actual dividing, we have to find the remainder. So is it possible? Yes. Is it possible? By we will test whether this number is divisible by 3. If not, the remainder will come, right? Certain remainder will come. The remainder will be that remainder. Okay, so let us see how to solve this type of questions. First of all, we have to write solution, then 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 9 plus 9. 9 is how much? 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 2 is how much? 20, 20 plus 6 is how much? 26, 26 plus 3 is how much? 29, right? So its value is 29. Now if we divide 29 with 3, if we divide 29 with 3, we can divide easily, right, within a few seconds. So let us first of all let us divide. So now 29 with 3. So 3 into 7, 3 into 7, yeah, oh sorry, 3 into 9. 3 into 9 is 27, right? Now further division is not possible. So the remainder is how much? 2. So now if we divide that number, that is 32699 with 3, we will also get remainder this one. So this is not our actual division, right? Did we divide that number with 3 to get this remainder? No. We have used some techniques so to find the remainder quickly. So we will write hence the remainder is 2. Now if you don't believe, let us the cross check. 3, 2, 6, 9, 9 divided by 3, 3, 1, 3, 2 not possible, 0, 6, 3 into 8, 3 into 8 is 24, 2, 9, 3 into 9 is 27, then again 2, 9, 3 into 9 is 27, remainder 2. Look, 2 same remainder, right? This is known as what? Actual division. This is not actual division, right? We have used certain techniques. Here what we have done, here first of all we have find out the sum of the digits. After this clear, we have find out the sum of the digits, then divided with 9. Now if we subtract 2, that means in this case if it was 7, then 2 will come less, right? Then the number will be divisible by 9. After this clear? Okay. So now today we will solve one more questions. There are 3 questions left, right? One is about divisibility by 11. You can solve yourself by putting this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now another is divisibility by 6. Question number 8, and question number 9 is exactly same as this one. Will I solve? Okay, let us solve. Direct write question number 9. After 9 we will solve question number 8. Clear? Without actual division, find the remainder when 5, 2, 4, 3. 5, 2, 4, 3. When 5, 2, 4, 3. 5, 2, 4, 3, 8, 7. 8, 7 is divisible by 3, right? This is question number 9. After question number 9, we will come to question number 8. So what do we write? First of all, we have to find the solutions. So 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7. So 8 plus 7, 8 plus 2 is how much? 8 plus 2, it is what? Combination, distributive method of addition, right? This property is known as distributive property. Here what we will distribute to add the number is faster. So 8 plus 2 is how much? 8 plus 2, it is 10. Then 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. So 10 plus 10 is how much? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 9, 20 plus 9 is 29. It is 29. Now same. Now 29 divided by 3 equal to the same, hence the remainder is 2. After this, clear? So this is your question number 9. Finished. Only one questions I have given you the homework, right? And the previous question number 1, 2, 3, there are some questions. These are busy. Now this question number 7 is a bit long, right? But you can, because same question, it is same as question number 4, divisibility by 11. Okay, so now after this clear. Okay, now let us move to question number 8, and that question will be the last of your today's class. What is the question? If 13y8 is a multiple of 6, yes. If 13y8 is a multiple of 6, where y is a digit, yes, we know, where y is a digit, what are the possible values of y? What are the possible values of y? Okay, one more thing, you have one example, that is example number 5. Example number 5 of page 108. This is very important for you. You solve yourself, right? And if you don't, we will discuss it in our next class. Okay, now let's come to our question. Here the question is, if 13y8 is a multiple of 6, where y is a digit, what are the possible values of y? So this is divisible by 6, right? So first of all, we have to know which numbers are divisible by 6. The numbers which are divisible by 2 as well as 3. Now for 2, the unit place is even. Here the unit place is even, right? That means this number is already divisible by 2. Now what we have to find? We have to find which numbers are divisible by 3. So for this, we have to find the sum of the digits, right? So let us write solution. Then 1 plus 3 plus y plus 8. 1 plus 3 is how much? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. It will be 12 plus y. Now we have to put values of y by from 0 to 9. Then if those numbers which will be divisible by 3, that number will be divisible by 6. Okay, I am explaining to you. So first of all, let us find those numbers, right? Solution. Then we write when. Are you getting, right? Are you getting the points which I want to say? If not, please ask. I will try to improve in our next video. Okay. Your feedback is more important. When y equals 0, then 12 plus 0 equals 12, isn't it? Okay. Y equals 1, then 12 plus 1 equals 13, y equals 2, then 12 plus 2 equals 14. After this clear? Then y equals 3, then 12 plus 3 equals how much? 12 plus 3, it is 15, y equals 4, then 12 plus 4 equals 16, right? After that y equals 5, then 12 plus 5 equals how much? 17, right? Y equals 6, then 12 plus 6 equals how much? 12 plus 6, 18, y equals 7, then 12 plus 7 equals 19, y equals 8, then 12 plus 8 equals 20, y equals 9, then 12 plus 9 equals 21. Now we have to look which numbers are divisible by 3. Look, 12 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3, then 18 is divisible by 3, 21 is divisible by 3. So the values of y will be how much? Values of y will be 0, maybe 0, 3, then 6 and 9. There are 4 values of y, right? So we'll write hence therefore the values of y may be, I have written what may be, right? There are, because there are many, therefore the values of y may be how much? 0, then 3, then 6, then how much? 9, right? So if we put value of y as in place of, if we put here 0, it will be divisible by 9. 6, if we put 3, it will also be divisible by 6. If we put 6, it will then also be divisible by 6, and if we put 9, then this number will also be divisible by 9. Clear? If we put their digits, we'll consider about what? 3, right? Because 2, because this number is already divided by 2, right? Isn't it? Look here, unit digit is what? 8. So it is even number and it is divisible by 3. 2. Now what we have find out? We have find out which numbers will be divisible by 3. So those numbers will be divisible by 3. Whose number? One number will be what? 1318. 1308. One number. Another number 1338. Another number. Then another number 1368. Another number 1398. Those 4 numbers will be divisible by both 2 as well as 6. 2 as well as 3. Hence this number will be divisible by 6. I hope you have understood, right? If you not, please ask me. And so today up to this, and the rest one exercise left of chapter 5 we will solve in our next class. So stay safe, stay blessed, and meet you in the next class.